Assignment 10, Final Project by Melissa Hillenberg-Holt. Data gathering is crucial for project management, enabling information decision-making and accurate planning. It involves collecting relevant information from stakeholders, historical records, and market analysis. Consistent and reliable data helps identify risks, allocate resources efficiently, and measure project progress against objectives. Project management relies on analysis methods like SWOT analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Critical Path Method, or CPM, is used to determine the longest sequence of tasks for project completion. Risk analysis helps to anticipate potential obstacles, enabling better planning and resource allocation for successful project outcomes. Successful projects begin with clear goal setting and scope definition to establish objectives. Next, detailed planning involves breaking the project into tasks and assigning responsibilities and establishing a timeline. The final step in monitoring progress makes adjustments as needed and ensuring effective communication among team members to achieve project outcomes. A risk management plan identifies potential risks that could affect a project's success. It outlines strategies to mitigate, monitor, and control these risks throughout the project life cycle. Effective plans assign responsibilities and include procedures for responding to unexpected issues, helping organizations minimize disruptions and achieve objectives. Quantitative risk analysis uses numerical values and data to measure risk impact and probability, providing objective results. Qualitative risk analysis relies on subjective judgment, often using rankings or categories to assess risk severity. While quantitative methods are data-driven, qualitative approaches focus on expert opinion and descriptive assessment. Quantitative risk examples include estimating financial losses from cyber attacks, calculating the probability and impact of equipment failure, and manufacturing and assessing potential revenue loss due to market volatility. These risks are measured using data, statistical models, and numerical analysis to guide decision-making and risk management strategies. Qualitative risk examples include reputational damage from negative publicity, delays due to stakeholder disagreements, and project scope creep caused by unclear requirements. These risks are assessed based on likelihood and impact rather than numerical values, helping organizations prioritize responses and mitigate strategies effectively. Fast tracking involves rescheduling tasks to overlap activities that were originally planned sequentially, reducing project duration without increasing costs. Crashing, on the other hand, adds resources to critical tasks to shorten timelines, often leading to increased costs. Both techniques help to compress schedules, but fast tracking risks rework, while crashing impacts budgets. Fast tracking allows projects to overlap phases, reducing overall timelines. For example, construction projects may begin site preparation before final designs are complete. In software development, coding can start alongside requirement analysis. Pharmaceutical companies often fast-track clinical trial phases to accelerate drug approval, balancing speed with risk management. Crashing a project management accelerates timelines by adding resources or changing processes. Examples include increasing team members on critical tasks, authorizing overtime work, and outsourcing specific project components. Each technique reduces schedule duration, but must be weighed against increased costs and potential risks to project quality. Visual data refers to information represented in graphical or pictorial form, such as images, charts, or maps. Key steps in visual data artifacts include data collection, example, gathering satellite images, processing, examples including filtering noise from medical scans, and visualization, example, creating infographics from survey results. Each step transforms raw data into comprehensible insights. Managers are focused on doing things right, while leaders are committed on doing the right thing. Managers are focused on controlling people and outcomes. They're focused on optimizing the execution of a process and are more quantitative. Leaders often center around inspiring people to think outside the box, optimizing a team as a whole, and are more qualitative. Managers ensure projects follow established processes and deliverables, like a project manager sticking strictly to timeline and budgets. Leaders, however, inspire and guide teams to achieve a greater vision, such as when a project leader motivates the team to adapt and innovate, ensuring sustainable results even in the face of unexpected challenges.